Hello Bayside. So today on this video, I'm gonna show you how I created my own inset. And I'm gonna explain a little bit about my own inset, and I also encourage you to be creative and create your own inset as well. So let's check it out. When I was thinking about how to design my inset, I knew that I wanted to be an alpha inset, meaning that I wanted to be a very powerful inset. So the first step that I took was by drawing its wings. So I drew four wings, two on each side. After drawing its wings, I also drew its first line of defense mechanism. It has two sharp sticks that are on the top of the two wings. This provides protection from possible predators while the inset is flying. The next step was to draw the body, which includes its head. I drew also its eyes. Now the eyes, as any insect have, they have compound eyes, which are eyes that are made of a lot of optical units, which help the insects look better. What I drew next was its circulatory system, which are the veins. And I drew them on the wings, so as you can all see on the wings that it has like a bunch of squares. Those are the veins of the insect. As I mentioned before, I wanted my insect to be a very powerful insect. I used the word alpha, if you guys remembered. So its primary line of defense is a tail that it has like a sharp needle. It is very similar to that of a bee, but it's 100 times more powerful. Next, I drew 6 legs, 3 on each side. And on the legs, it has many tiny holes and tubes that help the insect breathe. I also drew 2 teeth that are not used for eating, but they are there as another line of defense. So my insect is a pollinivore. What that means is that it eats pollen like bees and butterflies. And the way this insect eats pollen is by sucking the pollen like a vacuum through its anteater like mouth. And I don't know if you're familiar, but as you can see, it kind of looks like a Vuvuzela horn. So this insect is a nocturnal, meaning that it's active in the night and sleeps mostly during the day. And as you all may know, one way animals and insects camouflage is by their colors. I'm going to use a technique that I learned back in elementary school, in which I use a pencil sharpener and then I sharpen the tip of the color pencil and it comes like a powder. So that powder, then I'm gonna rub it with a cotton ball, and this will make the drawing look like waxy smooth. As you can see here, how it looks a little bit waxy and smooth. I used blue and purple because since this is a nocturnal insect, blue and purple it's kind of hard to see in the night. So this works good for camouflage. I colored the eyes red and the mouth pink because again this also helps with the camouflage during the night. Also the eyes are red because it makes them look like they have night vision, so they can see very good in the night. So the last part that I color is the background. Since this is a nocturnal animal or insect, I'm gonna color it black. Since the background is a little bit bigger, I recommend you to roughen it, the black color in a circular motion. And this is the final product. So I hope you guys had fun. Be creative and enjoy.